Good morning, friends. Once again, a very hearty welcome to the English world of Aradhya. Myself, Rashmin sir, imparting the knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard in English medium. Students, remember in my previous videos, we have already seen the fourth lesson. The title of it is The Rat Trap Seller, written by Selma Laberlodge. In this lesson, we have come to know, students, so far what happens, how is the story of the rat trap seller. He is called by different names. Okay, in this lesson, finally he goes to the ironmaster's house, and at ironmaster's house, now when he is shaved, he is given new clothes. Okay, that time they find him totally a different person, and the ironmaster wants him to leave as quickly as possible. He feels that this person has cheated him, because ironmaster thought he was his one-time regimental comrade, but when he shaves and puts on new clothes and comes in front of him, he is totally a different person. But his daughter Edla Wilmanson, she speaks on behalf of this rat trap seller, and she wants him over there. So they say that it is already Christmas time, and Christmas is a time of get together and all that. Since they didn't have anyone, she wants him to be there as their guest. Okay. Then finally, unwillingly, the father agrees, and father also warns her that you see that for your this decision you should not repent later on. And on the whole day, you see, in the afternoon he was awakened just for food. Again he went to sleep. Again he was awakened at evening time just to get that evening meal. Okay, till that we had seen, but he just kept on sleeping only the whole day. He was awakened only for food, 2 times food. Now we will see what happens next, students. Okay. As soon as he got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you and good night. But when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit. Just a minute, students. Yeah. Dining room and ate the Christmas fish and porridge. Okay, right, we are there only. She gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. So afterwards, when he thanked everyone, the daughter, means Edla, said to him, "Ki the suit that you are wearing, that is of my father, but it is a Christmas gift from my father for you. So keep it with you. You don't have to return it." Okay. He did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall him, he would be welcomed back again. So this second thing also she promised. This suit you can keep, and next Christmas also, if you feel like coming over here to my house next Christmas also, you are welcomed. Okay, where you can sleep peacefully. Whole year you don't get a chance to sleep, so here you can sleep peacefully and be with us during the Christmas time. The man with the rat traps did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement, means great surprise, boundless amazement. मैं वो उसके सामने देखता ही रहा कि ये लड़की इतना कंपैशन दिखाती है, इतनी लव दिखाती है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिखाती है मेरे प्रति. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द यान मास्टर एंड हिज डॉटर गॉट अप इन द गुड सीजन, मीन्स इन टाइम, to go to the early Christmas service. Now students, you see, on Christmas day in the church we have 2 or 3 services. Okay, first service, some people will go in the first service, that is nothing but just a prayer. Okay, 1 hour or 1.5 hours prayer we offer to God. And then second service, means some people will go in second service. Some people with small kids would go in the third service, because they can get up quite leisurely, and then they can get ready and get children also ready and take them to the church. So like those 3 services are there. These people went in the first church service. Okay, their guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. So this was another good thing. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. Okay, when these people came back after the church service, the girl was looking very dejected means sad, gloomy. Okay, at church she had learned that one of the old crofters of the ironworks had been robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. So this was the reason, students. At the church, after the service got over, people wished happy Christmas to each other, Merry Christmas to each other. At that time only these people had come to know that one of the old crofters had been robbed by one rat trap seller. तो ये रेड ट्रैप सेलर ने वो उसके यहाँ से ओल्ड क्रॉफ्टर के घर से 30 क्रोनर्स चुराए थे। ये बात वहाँ चर्च में लोग सर्विस के बाद कर रहे थे। और रेड ट्रैप सेलर अभी कहाँ है? एट आयरन मास्टर्स हाउस। तो इसलिए, और उसके पापा ने पहले ही बोला था कि इसको रखती हो पर देखो तुम्हें इसके लिए पछताना नहीं पड़े। तो इसलिए जब वो वापस आए तो वो डिजेक्टेड लग रही थी कि ये तो वही रेड ट्रैप सेलर है जिसको हमने अपने घर रखा है। यस, दैट वॉज अ फाइन फेलो यू लेट इन टू द हाउस। अभी उसका पापा उसको टॉन्ट में बोल रहा है, सेड हर फादर। हाँ, तुमने जिसको घर में रखा है वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है, नहीं? आई ओनली वंडर हाउ मेनी सिल्वर स्पून्स आर लेफ्ट इन द कपबोर्ड बाई दिस टाइम। मैं तो यही सोचता हूँ कि अपने वापस पहुँचे घर पे तब तक कितने सिल्वर टी स्पून्स रहे होंगे, बराबर। द वैगन हैड हार्डली स्टॉप्ड एट द फ्रंट स्टेप्स व्हेन द आयरन मास्टर आस्क्ड द वैलेट वेदर द स्ट्रेंजर वॉज स्टिल देयर। अभी वैगन यानी उनकी गाड़ी आके रुकी ही है, अभी वो उतरे भी नहीं है, उसके पहले उसने वहाँ के वैलेट को पूछा कि वो अंदर है, रेड ट्रैप सेलर अंदर है कि भाग गया। He added that he had heard at church that the man was a thief. वो वैलेट को ये भी कहा कि वो बंदा जो हमारे घर पे है, चर्च पे पता चला कि वो तो चोर है। The valet answered that the fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. तो वैलेट सामने जवाब देता है कि वो तो चला गया पर उस साथ में कुछ लेके नहीं गया, कुछ भी लेके नहीं गया है। ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, उसके विपरीत, he had left behind a little package which Miss Williamson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. उसके विपरीत वो कुछ छोड़ गया, एक पैकेट, ताकि मिस विलियमसन यानी आपकी डॉटर उसको स्वीकार करे क्रिसमस गिफ्ट के रूप में। ओके, द यंग गर्ल ओपन द पैकेज विच वॉज सो बैडली डन अप, यानी सो बैडली पैक्ड, दैट द कंटेंट्स केम इन टू व्यू एट वंस। उसके अंदर क्या था वो तुरंत दिख गया क्या था, क्योंकि वो परफेक्टली पैक नहीं किया था। शी गेव अ लिटल क्राई ऑफ जॉय। ओके, वो खुशी से चिल्ला उठी। शी फाउंड अ स्मॉल रेड ट्रैप एंड इन इट ले 3 रिंकल्ड 10 क्रोनर नोट्स। एक छोटा पिंजड़ा था रेड ट्रैप का, ओके, और उसके अंदर 3 क्रोनर की वो रिंकल्ड नोट्स थी। बट दैट वॉज नॉट ऑल, यही नहीं था, उसके अलावा और कुछ भी था। व्हाट वॉज दैट? इन द रेड ट्रैप ले ऑल्सो अ लेटर, a small red trap and 30 kroners. Okay. Also a letter written in large jagged characters. Okay, jagged means rough characters. Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you. मैं एक कैप्टन हूँ, उसी तरह आप मेरे प्रति इतने अच्छे रहे थे, मेरे प्रति इतना अच्छा बर्ताव किया, तो मुझे भी रिटर्न में आपके प्रति अच्छा बनना है। ओके, आई वॉज इन रिटर्न एज इफ आई वॉज अ रियल कैप्टन, फॉर आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट यू टू बी एम्बेरेस्ड एट दिस क्रिसमस सीजन बाय अ थीफ। मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि कोई थीफ की वजह से आपको ये क्रिसमस सीजन शर्माना पड़े। अंडरस्टूड? But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for the poor wanderers. तो आप वो पैसे मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, वो पैसे जाके वहाँ जो ओल्ड क्रॉफ्टर रहता है रोड साइड के वहाँ उसको दे सकते हो। उसने वो पाउच वहाँ ही विंडो पे लटकाया है, तो आते जाते कोई भी भटकते इंसान मेरे जैसे बेचारे लालच बन जाएंगे, उनके लिए ये पाउच। The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap. तो एक ऐसे रैट के ओर से आपके लिए क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट है, रेड ट्रैप। ओके, कि अगर वो फंस जाता, इफ ही हैड नॉट बीन रेज टू द कैप्टन, अगर उसको कैप्टन के लेवल पे रेज नहीं किया होता अपनी अपनी उदारता से, तो बिकॉज इन दैट वे ही गॉट पावर टू क्लियर हिमसेल्फ। ओके, तो वो क्या है, वो भी पकड़ा जाता वर्ल्ड के रेड ट्रैप में, अगर आपने ये अच्छाई नहीं दिखाई होती तो। रिटर्न विथ फ्रेंडशिप एंड हाई रिगार्ड कैप्टन वॉन स्टाहल। सो down he signs this one, Captain von Stahel. So students, with that the lesson ends. What we come to know over here is, by the end of the lesson we find the rat trap seller completely a changed person. Okay, he has changed so much. Now he is no more a rat trap seller. He is a good hearted person. Okay, large hearted person, and that's why he has returned the money also to Edla. He has also told her to give that money to the old crofter, and he also had sent one rat trap, small rat trap as a Christmas present for her, because now he is going to lead a regular life. Now he is not going to continue his old life of rat trap, going for begging and petty thefts and all that. Okay, so students, that's where we end the lesson. Here are a few question answers that we will see. Let me see. First one, from where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? So one day when he was walking, okay, suddenly that idea came to his mind that the entire world is what, with all its land and seas, with all its cities, villages, riches, shelter, okay, food and clothing, the entire world is offering all these things, and because of that the people get trapped in that, just as the rat gets trapped in a rat trap through that bait. And what is hanged over there at a back as a bait? Either a piece of pork or a cheese layer. Understood? So that's how he got this idea that the world is also like a rat trap, because it offers so many things and people just go to grab them and they get trapped. Okay, why was he amused by this idea? He was amused by this idea because wherever he went for the night shelter, people would show sour faces. Nobody would welcome him and everybody would just drive him away. So he has seen this sort of nature of the people. So when he thinks of the people in this way, कि ये सब लोग ऐसे रेड ट्रैप में, वर्ल्डली रेड ट्रैप में फंस गए, तो ये आइडिया उसको प्लेजर देता था क्योंकि लोग उसके प्रति अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं करते थे, इसलिए। डिड द पेडलर एक्सपेक्ट द काइंड ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी दैट ही रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द क्रॉफ्टर? सो ही हैड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, बिकॉज वेर एवर ही वेंट पीपल वर शोइंग हिम सावर फेसेस, पीपल वर नॉट वेलकमिंग हिम, ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी दे वुड जस्ट ड्राइव हिम अवे, उसको भगा देते थे। इसलिए he had not expected that at this particular house the crofter would give me food also, give me tobacco also, give me shelter at night, and also show me the money, play with me. Okay, all these things he had not expected because he had never been treated this way. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? The crofter was so talkative and friendly with the peddler. Why? Because already it was mentioned that he did not have wife, he did not have child, he was the lonely person and he desperately wanted somebody's company to talk to, and that's why when the peddler knocked at his door, he readily just welcomed him, and that's why he shared everything. He shared to that extent that he also told him how he earned his livelihood and what he earned last month for selling the milk to the creamery. Okay, all those things he said. Okay, why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? So he said that he sold that he could not be working as a laborer now, so his cow only feeds him, so he sells the milk of his cow to a creamery. So to convince this peddler that he has already got 30 kroners, to convince him more, he showed the notes of kroners, 30 kroners to the peddler, nothing else, students. Why, then last question, did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? So the crofter was a lonely person and he confided in peddler and said everything. He also showed him where the money was. Okay, he took out the pouch from the this one nail, and then from the pouch he took out those 30 kroner wrinkled notes. He just showed him and put it back into the pouch and hanged it over there, which was next to the window only. So next morning when both of them went their ways, after half an hour the peddler again came back. He broke the window pane and he got that pouch, took out the money and put the pouch back over there and went his way. So in a way he robbed the crofter of his money. So you cannot say that he did not confide. He students, he did not show, he did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter. Okay. Next question you see are on the next page. What made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? So rat trap seller, after robbing the crofter, he was going on the main highway and suddenly the thought came into his mind that if he goes on the main highway, public highway, then there are chances that he may be caught up by the police. So that's why he took a path which was going into the forest, and he went on walking over there. For first hour nothing happened, it was quite pleasant, but as he went inner and inner, then he was walking and walking. After a long walk he found that he was walking at the same place. So this is where that idea came, that he has been also trapped in this rat trap of the forest. Okay, students, so there he got that idea, students, that he had fallen into the rat trap. Second question, why did the ironmaster speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? So ironmaster's ambition was to provide the best quality metal iron to the market, and that's why he was going there during the daytime also and during the night time also, just to supervise the work. So when the rat trap seller went into the ironworks at night, because he was wet and he wanted warmth, so at that time, students, this ironmaster also came over there on one of his nighty rounds and he found this stranger over there. But when he observed him very closely, he thought that he is none other than his one-time regimental comrade, Nils Olof. So taking him to be Nils Olof, he just wanted him to come to his house. Okay, that's why he invited him. Okay, to his house. Third question, why did the peddler decline the invitation? So first, when he told him, the peddler was happy that if he considers me as an old acquaintance, he will give me at least 2 kroners. But later on he thought that no, if I go to his house, when my reality comes out, he might hand me over to the police, and my remaining life I may have to pass in the jail, and he also might find those 30 kroners from me. So in that condition I would be really trapped. So that's why he didn't want to go over there, and secondly he was not the captain whom he had thought for. ओके वो कैप्टन वो नहीं था जिसका आयरन मास्टर ने सोचा था, इसलिए भी उसको नहीं जाना था. ओके, नाउ वी कम ऑन टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स on page number 41. What made the peddler accept Edla Williamson's invitation? So Edla Williamson was quite good. She possessed that quality of persuading others, and that's why ironmaster also, when he gave in, he sent his daughter, because he had more faith in his daughter, that my daughter would anyhow bring him home. And Edla, she was not so good looking, but she was very modest. Okay, and she made all those requests to him in a gentle manner, and because of that, she also promised him that just as freely you come over there at my house, you can leave also as freely without any trouble. So that's why, students, the peddler could not say no to him, no to her. She had also brought with him the fur coat which she gave him later on. So because of her generous nature and her modest request, he could not say no to her. Okay, when did the ironmaster realize his mistake? So Ironmaster thought that this person is his one-time regimental comrade, and once he eats certain amount of food, and then we will set him in some other business. But when the red trap seller was bathed, shaved, and given new clothes, now in new appearance when he came to the Ironmaster, well prepared, well groomed, so Ironmaster realized that this is not the person whom he had taken to be. After shaving, he was totally a different person. And that's why the Ironmaster got angry and he did not want him to be there. Okay, so that time he realized his mistake. When he had a full beard, when he had dragged clothes, that time he thought that he was his old regimental comrade. But अभी वो नहा धो के शेविंग करके नए कपड़े पहन के आया, तब उसको लगा कि ये तो कोई दूसरा बंदा है. Okay, that time he realized his mistake. What did the peddler say in his defense when it was clear that he was not the person the Ironmaster had thought he was? So he told in his defense that I never pretended to be captain. Secondly, when you wanted me to come to your house, you were requesting me, and I was again and again saying no, no, no. Okay, because I was not that person. That's why I went on saying no. I was happy over there. And then also, if you think that I have cheated you, so I will put on my old clothes and go away from here. Understood? These are all things he said in his defense. Then, last question, why did Edla still entertain the peddler even after she knew the truth about him? So, earlier only we were told that Edla was what? A gentle hearted person. Okay, she was modest enough, and plus she also understands the true spirit of Christmas. Her brothers are not with them, they are only the two guys, she and her father at home during Christmas. And she knows that okay, during Christmas some get together should be there, some guests should be there, and since they don't have any guest, so even after knowing that this person is not the person whom they had taken for, she wants him to be there just to celebrate Christmas. Okay, so because of that reason only she says that they should not kill the Christmas spirit by driving him away. So even after knowing that peddler was not the person they had taken for, she is ready to keep him. Okay, why was Edla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? The gift left by the peddler was nothing but a small rat trap. Inside there were 10 kronos notes and a letter which said that this note should be returned to that old crofter whom I had looted. Okay, and down he had signed that what he had signed with the name Captain von Stahel, whom they had taken him to be. So Edla was happy that this person who was a thief, okay, very poor thief, he seems to have changed, and with that thought only she is happy कि ये change हो चुका है. बराबर? Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stahel? So Captain von Stahel, you see from the name only we can make out that he is a person of some status. Okay, he won't go for like these actions of stealing some people, okay, looting some people. He would not go for like these things. And earlier, Ironmaster and his daughter had brought him home, considering him as Captain Stahel only. But later on, when they realized that he was not there, then also Edla kept him, showed him mercy, showed him all the compassion, provided him all the Christmas food, okay, allowed him to rest as much as he could, and because of her generous nature and her compassion, this person was totally changed. And because of that changed nature only, he signed that he would lead his life like Captain von Stahel only. That's why he signed himself as Captain von Stahel, because he is now a totally changed person. Okay, students, so with that we end this lesson. Kindly go through the question answers. There may be the other answers, questions also. Students, you can just prepare them. All the question answers will be based on this lesson only, this story only. So if you have listened to the story well, if you have just remembered it well, you can answer any question that is asked based on this. Okay, so students, here we end this lecture. Kindly prepare it well, stay fit, stay fine, have a good day, God bless you.